Lights, man. Oh man, I ain't know that. So my apartments, them trees done fell through them. It's a blessing, like the tree ain't fall right on. Oh, look at this one. That could have fell right through somebody's window. Dang. That's a bunch of trees. All aimed for the buildings. So if we getting this bad, imagine what the other states getting like, cause we don't never get like bad weather like that. Their car got a tree on it. Look. Look at that. Those probably about to come. I don't know. See that?
Yeah, that's what I showed you.
Oh. We'll go out here to some of these cars. So we go upstairs. Oh, good. It really wasn't nothing. So this part is. So we walk our dogs over there. So it looks like one car got it pretty bad. Them trees are rocking over there. But look at this poor car. Man, I hope they got some insurance. But I don't know if it would have. So our dog park's right up there. This is a story. The crazy thing is, some more of them trees. This one right here is about to fall, but it's going to fall straight that way. This one, see the root already uplifted. But I don't think it'll be in no danger of apartments. But by the grace of God, these trees are falling through the apartments but not directly on them, because look at this one. That could have fell right on top of it, which it did bust a lot of it. But for this, they better move. No. I don't know. I'm about to move my other car into the handicap spot. But look at that. By the grace of God, that didn't fall on nobody's house. I don't know. Would you want to move the car that way? Because it looked like these trees might fall rather than them. They're going to fall that way. I have a babe following me.
What did you say?
I have a babe following me. Come on. It don't look that bad up here. That's just a crazy sight to see. Well, we ain't gonna walk too much farther. We just showed you my neck of the woods. But as I said, if this going on over here, if this going on here, I can only imagine down south. Where this hurricane come from, Florida?
Yep.
Ooh, I can only imagine in southern states that's Florida enough. Especially Georgia and Florida. I am drenched and I even got on my good attire. The waterproof attire is what I meant, not no good attire. So I know the back of this little building tore up. It didn't go back there. I don't know, it's ghost town. It's like nobody wanted to come out and see what it did. But when you live in an apartment, you really can't hear nothing. You can hear it today, but the previous days you wouldn't even know if it was raining if you didn't come outside. But we heard the trees falling and big loud booms. Playgrounds, okay. We're gonna see did anything fall on the back of the clubhouse. Where they keep their tools and stuff. Nah, it all looks decent. All these trees uprooting now. Like, this used to be clear path. Now, y'all gonna see something very scary. This all used to be clear path. If I go straight down here, I already see it. Straight water flood if you can go down there. All that used to be clear. We'll get a little bit closer. And we gotta get out of here, all these trees. So when I was a kid, I would have built me a little clubhouse right there. Put me some hardwood floors. Put a little tent. Boom. I mean, there's another little tree house when it dry. Oh man, now look at this. All these trees like recently fell, not all this was clear. All these just recently fell. Look at this. Woo! We about did it. Look at this. This was just a little bitty creek, like a little bitty creek. As you can see, it's out here. I mean, all that was just like walking zone. This is your sporting channel, Kibo_22. Thanks for tuning in. What is this? I can only imagine a southern state.